Hello, everyone. My name is Casey Imbrogno, and today I'll be talking about my Trebuchet project and where we're currently at with our project and where we're planning to go. Um, first, our goal or challenge was to create a trebuchet that could launch a golf ball over 1,000 feet. This was my first project for my sophomore year in my engineering and industrial design class. Our first step was to make a mini model so that we could then later scale it up to a larger size. So, first, we decided to look for inspiration and try to find a design that we think would be good and could match our goals. So, we looked online and we found someone, Leonard Vance. He made a trebuchet similar to what we are trying to create. He launched a golf ball over 1,200 feet. So we decided to check out his model and see how we could make ours similar or better than his and see how we can improve on his design. So, first, we decided to make our mini model. And so, our first one was loosely constructed. It was kind of um, put together in a rush just so we could get an idea for what we want to do in the future and how we want to make our other mini models. So here are pictures of it here. And then I'll show you a video of our first launch. Yeah. Here's our first model. Yeah, as you can see, um, it didn't work the first time I tried it, but that's okay because it just helped us improve for the future and uh, encouraged us to take steps to make it better. Our second model, one of my peers, Matthew, made it at his house over the weekend, and then he brought it in and showed it to us. So we took his design and we improved it a bit, and then made it as best as we could. And one of the biggest challenges with making these was the arm and the mechanic that got the sling to launch at a consistent rate of speed and velocity, and for the weight to drop consistently. So we tried to address some of those issues, but we are still having problems. And in the third model, we will improve them even more. So here's the video. As you can see, way better than our first model. We spent more time on this and uh, we put more thought into it. Now, our third model and the model we're currently using, um, we decided to improve our arm and the string we used. We tried to make it more consistent and have a better drop of the weight. Um, our models were getting better and better over time, and this is probably the one we're most proud of and the one we put the most work into. As you can see, the pictures, we used lots of tools. We used drills, bandsaws, hot glue, popsicle sticks, screws, all of that to make these models. And it took a while, and we're proud of what we built. So here in the video, we are not using a weight because we still need to find a weight that has the right mass and shape to fit with our model, but we are confident that we can find one.
Three, two, one.
As you can see, it may be hard to see, but there
Three,
is a
two,
projectile
one.
in it, and it did launch a good distance. So we are happy with our model. Um, Next, where we are currently at in our project is we're using Autodesk to model our full scale model in our arms and for the arm and the body of the trebuchet. So this is what we are currently doing. I worked on the arm. My teammate Matthew worked on the body. So these are our models, and like it says, to be continued. We are still in the process of making it, and I will make an update video after this once it is all completed. Um, but yeah, I learned a lot. I've learned how to build something from scratch and like without really much direction, figure out how to brainstorm and come up with our own designs and how to trial learn through trial and error how to improve designs and other things. So yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you after a few weeks when I make my update. Bye.